बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम तबीयत मिजाज बखैरियत मैं अमशेरी अपने हिस्से का दिया जिला रहा हूँ.
Why is it that some nations command respect and admiration, while others struggle to find their place on the global stage? The answer often lies in the spirit of the people and the strength of their institutions. Take, for instance, the story of a nation born amidst adversity, a nation that has risen through the ranks, not merely surviving, but thriving against all odds. This is the story of Pakistan, a country that has weathered many storms yet stands tall and proud. At the heart of this resilience is the Pakistan Army, an institution that embodies the spirit of the country. A beacon of hope and dedication, the Pakistan Army is a testament to the unwavering commitment of a nation to its people and to its sovereignty. Consider the tale of a common citizen who every evening lights a lamp in his humble abode. This isn't an ordinary lamp, but a symbol of his gratitude and respect for the warriors safeguarding his homeland. As the flame flickers, he whispers, "Long live the Pak Army, long live Pakistan." This story serves as a powerful reminder of the bond between the people and their protectors. It's a relationship built on mutual respect, love, and an unwavering belief in the strength of their nation. Just as the common citizen keeps his lamp burning, the Pakistan Army stands firm, their resolve unshaken. They continue to shine bright, casting a warm glow of safety and security over the nation, keeping the spirit of Pakistan alive. In conclusion, it's not just about the might of the army or the resilience of the people. It's about the synergy between the two, creating a force that's unstoppable. The story of the common citizen and the Pakistan Army is a testament to this synergy, a testament to the spirit of Pakistan. So when we think of nations that command respect and admiration, we need not look further than Pakistan. A nation that, like its army, stands tall and proud, fueled by the spirit of its people. A nation that, like the common citizen's lamp, continues to shine bright, illuminating the path for others to follow. This is the story of a nation that has turned adversity into strength. This is the story of Pakistan. Long live Pakistan! Long live the Pak Army!